Assalamu alaikum, hello my students. In this video, I'll talk about the URL class, the one that we use to get information about different URLs that we use to access websites. So in order to use this, we are going to use the library URL. So first of all, I'm going to import it in here. So let me import the java.net.url. Okay, and now we'll be using it to create a new instance of this class. So URL, let me call it URL1, or for example, my URL. Let me take something simple. URL1 equals new URL. Now for the constructor, we'll need to send some URL to the website. Like for example, okay, so here we go. So we have created the first URL. Now if I click on this, I can see that I have some mistake in here, or it says that we could be facing some problem, some exception called malformed URL exception, and which means there could be some mistake in the URL itself. So in case if there is some mistake in typing the URL, we need to catch that error by adding the throws exception, this one here. So now our program will be able to capture that exception. So I'm going to simply print a number of things. I have a number of methods. Like for example, the first one is to get URL1.get get protocol, for example. Okay, and let me just type in here protocol, and we concatenate it. Now let me copy this. I have 9 methods that I need to work with. So okay, let's modify them. So the second thing that I need to work with is the reference. Ref, and here it's going to be the getRef. And then after that, I have the getting the host. So I need to get host. I also need to get the port number. I also need to get the path of that URL. I also need to get the query in case it has a query. Maybe I need also to get the the file, if there's a file specified, and the user info, and for example, last but not least, get the authority. So these are a number of things that I need, but let me just change this. So this is going to be authority, and this is going to be get user info, and this is going to be for file. Oops. Query. And path. Port. Host. Okay, So let's see what happens if I run this. Yeah, so now we can see that the protocol, it's HTTPS, the website is google.com, the host, the port number isn't retrieved, it seems. Okay, and the authority, the company's name is google.com. So maybe we can try something else, like for example, let me try Wikipedia.